Good morning, Martin here from piscina.com. We have been installing reinforced liners throughout Spain and Portugal since 2001. And today I would like to introduce you to our relief range. This is a new range released last year by RENOLIT ALKORPLAN. These liners are 1.8mm thick, and they also have the polyester mesh reinforcing membrane to make them extremely strong and durable. They come in a number of colors. As you can see, we have white, sand color, light blue, Caribbean green, Adriatic blue, light gray, and dark gray. These liners are category C non-slip, so they can be used on steps and any shallow areas of the pool. They have a beautiful texture, as you can see close up, which you can feel as well. These liners are great for prefabricated swimming pools or panel pools where the surfaces are very smooth. We recommend, you can still have them for tile pools or concrete pools, but we always recommend for older pools and pools that have, let's say, imperfections, we always recommend a liner with some kind of design or print. But the choice is completely yours, and we're here to help and guide you. If you have any questions, let us know. You can find us on YouTube, where we have nearly 300 videos. We're on Instagram, and also you can find us on our website, which is www.piscinaliner.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.